Does this ever happen to you when you're recording a video? You're just in the middle of recording and all of a sudden you forget what you're going to say. Well, I got a solution for you. You need a teleprompter. Today, I want to show you a free app you can download that'll put a teleprompter right on your phone. First, we're going to go to Google Play Store and we're going to look up free teleprompter app. And the one we're going to get is the one called teleprompter for video. Now it's going to open up with the in-app camera. And from here, you have some options to go from for your choose your font size as well as your camera options here. You can use the front or the back camera. Now we're ready to create our script. Now I see the little pencil there on the right hand side. We go to the script writer and we choose a title. Now we can begin to write our script. Now we can write it by typing in on the keyboard down below, and you have up to 750 characters. So you have to be careful how you use it. You have to use the correct amount of characters to keep it under that time limit. The 750 characters is just for the free version. You are able to purchase longer scripts if you get the premium version. Now we're ready to record. We got our script ready and it begins the countdown. It gets you ready, get ready to talk. Now you just read from the script. Easy peasy. Your eyes are looking forward. You're just reading from the script. You're not pausing. It just makes the videos look so much better. Once it's finished, you can save it or you can share it right from the app. Now, if this method don't work for you and you don't want to write your own scripts, let me show you an even better way to do it using ChatGTP. And if you're not using ChatGTP by now, why not? Simply open up ChatGTP and ask it to write a script for whatever your video is going to be about. And once it's done, you wait for it to populate. Then we're going to copy our script and we're going to paste it right onto the app. And voila, there's your script. Now, if you need to go ahead and edit it some more, whether take something out or add something to it, you can. Or, if you like the way it is, just simply hit the record button and start recording videos professionally. You don't have to worry about making mistakes. You're reading straight from the script. You're not pausing and you're staying on topic. If you like this video, please consider subscribing to my channel. It really helps out a lot. Thank you very much for watching, and we'll see you again next time.